Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to another video on my automotive channel. Today I'm changing the dust caps on our Renault Scenic to these blue ones. Now, I picked these up a few years ago. They were meant for my Renault Megane, but never mind, they suit this car. So what we need is, well, I'm going to use a screwdriver, but you can use whatever, and you need grease. Because number one thing when people put these on their cars, if you don't put grease and you get flat or you got to pump up your tire, you can take them off and they rust up, and you just take the valve off, damaging your actual tire. So the grease prevents that. So what I'm going to do is grab one and we will put some grease on. I don't know why there's some air in this, but there we go, just put it in now. Don't need much, just enough. There you go, that'll do. And if we go over to the Renault, we'll do the front wheel first. I gotta do all of them, but just to show you guys, there we go. And just get, there we go, make sure the grease is on. These are actually longer than I realised. They stick out quite a bit, but never mind. Just a little custom job on the car. It's always one of the first things I do. And there we have it. So yeah, it looks a lot better. It's, you know, steel wheels with wheel trims, but just a little modification. But that grease will prevent any issues. I won't do all of them for you in this video, but just remember to use some kind of grease. I don't know, I can't remember how much this was, but perfect for the job. Because like I said, if you don't use the grease, you get water in them, they rust up, and when you get a flat tire or you need to change the tire, you just snap them straight off with the valve, and it's not great. So yeah, there's a top tip. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you all very soon in the next video.